Hello everyone, I'm just here with a quick video because I have to get moving on my end of month projects for a collab with Stmpgrl. Hi Paige. Yeah, I'm kind of behind, but anyway, remember I had to pick a new paper pad because I finished the other one, and here's what I picked. This is just to show you the paper pad, and it has, I think, all 48 papers because it's not even open. I figured I'd go backwards from Christmas to fall. And I have like 3 or 4 fall themed paper pads that I bought in past years. Oh, sorry for the noise. Hang on. I have the upstairs air conditioning on again because it is like 90 degrees again today. Anyway, this is what the front looks like. It is a Craftsmith paper pad. Got cute little deers and owls and so anyway, and some sheets with just words on it, which will be handy. So this is the first sheet, and there's 2 of those. So what does it say? It says 48 sheets. It's 2016, so I probably got it in 17 or possibly 18. I don't know. I'm thinking 17 because I don't remember getting this in 18. And then Happy Fall, Pumpkin Pie, Gather Around the Table, Leaves Fall, I'm Ready for the Leaves to Fall. Anyway, different sayings on this sheet, which is sort of a light brown, sort of has a purpley hint to it. Anyway, and then this is like a wood green. Let me see if I can get the picture a little better. Oh, sorry, it gets so dark. I think you can maybe see a little bit there. And then this one with the leaves, like that one, sort of a salmony orange. And then this with polka dots. So there's some very generic. This one has gold foiling on the stripes. And this one says Beauty of Fall Colors. Let me I had another paper pad. While I'm doing this, I'll just talk. I had another paper pad that was fall that had 47 sheets, 47 and a half, because I had used half of one. I was going to use that one, but I think this one will be a little more versatile for, you know, trying to use it all up at once. This says The Beauty of Fall Colors with the little owl and the pumpkin. So there's this almost is like ledger stuff here, so that maybe would go into a journal or something, I don't know. And sort of a herringbone gold, so that's pretty. Pumpkins and leaves and flowers on a sort of a sort of coordinates with Pretty Peacock by Stampin' Up. This sort of a gold color, a brown plaid. And then there are some cut aparts in this one. Yay! And they say fall into autumn, gather with grateful hearts, autumn fun, cozy fall day, just some journaling ones, rake, pile, jump. Fall's the best time of year. And then we have one that says fall is in the air with an owl and something about love. I can't get that one. Here's what the fall is in the air one looks like. And then I just love that little fox, and here's a little hedgehog. Oh, I opened my shed door yesterday. Oh, these are different ones, aren't they? Are they? No, they're the same. There's one up here that says home cooked goodness. It has a pie on it. Anyway, I opened my shed door yesterday because we were we hadn't seen my daughter's cat for hours, and I thought, well, maybe somebody opened the door and he got out, and then somehow, sometimes my outside patio door doesn't close tight, so he could have gotten all the way out. So I opened the shed door thinking, well, maybe he got, there's like a 3 or 4 inch gap under the bottom of the doors of the shed, and I opened the doors thinking, well, maybe he's in there, and a groundhog almost came out at me. I'm like, oh my gosh, and I closed the doors quick so the groundhog can get back out, but I don't know what to do about that, and I'm afraid he's going to be digging holes near my house again, and he did last year. He's a big groundhog. Anyway, this is really cute paper with the owls and the deer and the trees. And then I like this with the letters, although that might be hard to use up. And there's 2 of them, of course. So I might end up having to maybe use the back of some of those. I don't know. We'll see. And then here's a little deer. These big sheets are hard for me to use. They really are. Like this one, I mean, unless I cut this out or something, or put this, I may end up framing one of these and taking it to my mom to put on her wall or something for fall. Anyway, we'll see. So these are strips, cut apart strips you can use. It's sort of subdued colors. I do like this plaid, which is sort of a gray blue, and then there's like a pale green blue and a gold and orange. I guess that's a tan, not a yellow. I don't know. Anyway, it's pretty. And then more leaves on a brown background. What was the other one on? I don't even know. I know there was another one with leaves somewhere back here. Oh, it had pumpkins on the teal. So that was it anyway. So we have brown with the leaves, and then we have like the peacock color, green color with the leaves, and then orange with the words autumn blessings, happy fall, pumpkin pie, gather around the table. Same words, it looks like, on a different color. And then brown with these colors, and then here are the words that can be used. So I have my work cut out for me, and hopefully I can get this whole thing used up by fall. This is July, so we shall see. But this will be my paper pad that I'll be using for the end of month. It's called Same Paper New Projects, or New Project Same Paper, collab with Stmpgrl, that we post on the last day of the month, so which is only 3 days away. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks. Bye for now. Surprise! This is hidden giveaway number 2 for July. Yeah, I'm doing that right behind the other drawing. So this time I have 2 Christmas pads, and it's possible there might be 1 or 2 pieces out of here, out of one of them, maybe. I don't know, maybe not. This one is called Noel by American Crafts, and it's supposed to have 36 papers. When I was going through my Christmas stuff for the Christmas in July collab, I found this, and I have like 4 or 5 other 6x6s plus that many more, and 12x12s, and I don't need all this Christmas paper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, it has music notes, 7, some cut aparts, 8, some deer, 9, some bells, 10, some poinsettias, 11, 12, and then it looks like we repeat, so there should be 4 sets of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I'm sorry, 3 sets of 12, 11, 12, yes, 36 pages in this. I was thinking 48, 36 papers. So it's all here, and this one is by Stampin' Up. It's retired from like 3 years ago. Warmth and Cheer Designer Series paper stack. I wish they kind of would do that still in a stack like that. Anyway, so this should have, what I say, 48. And these are double-sided, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Oh, I love that plaid. I have another one of these, so that's why I'm willing to give this up. 2, 2, 3, 4. That's 3. This is like sweater and plaid. That's really pretty too. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh. That must have been 11 and 12. Anyway, it looks like it's all there. I hope you guys can count better than me, huh? So these are the hidden giveaway for the second hidden giveaway for the month of July, which I thought was appropriate since we just did Christmas in July collaboration. And what you have to do is tell me your favorite how should I put this? What is your favorite part of Christmas, of the Christmas season? Let's put it that way. What is your favorite part of the Christmas season? What do you like the most? Or I should put it another way. What does Christmas mean for you? Okay? What does Christmas mean for you? So either one of those. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, you probably won't want this paper, but you can also comment whether or not you don't celebrate Christmas if you want the paper for some reason. Okay, so I'm going to try and do the drawing next weekend sometime. I'm not going to give you an exact day, so it may be Friday, Saturday, or Sunday next weekend, which is the first weekend in August, for this July hidden giveaway. So good luck, everybody. I hope you'll leave a comment, and I hope you also come and watch the end of month collab with Paige and I while we attempt to use up our selected paper pads. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye for now.